Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Shopify for email marketing. So what we are seeing here in our screen is the marketing page for Shopify. To go here, you just simply click Marketing. Now, to create our campaign, we will click Create Campaign. So in this video, we want to use Shopify for email marketing, so we will click Email. So the marketing activity that Shopify offered is the Shopify email. So in this, it will send 10,000 free emails per month and additional emails for this campaign. So to do that, we'll just simply click Shopify email. Then we need to update our app for this campaign. So click Update App. Now, it's time to create our email. So create email. So now, what we see here is a different template we can use for our email marketing campaign. So in here, just basically use what template that suits your needs. So we have a lot of example for template that we can use. Now, once you chose a template, just simply click on the template and it will show you the sample of that template once you click that template. Now, this is the sample of what your email looks like before sending. So now you can just simply customize it based on your needs. And that's how you use Shopify for email marketing. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe for more updated videos in our